That's what we're trying to get
Belvedere
into,
Road.
right? Yeah, exactly, Belvedere.
And then
we're
we
trying to just put it anywhere here, like Summit Court. Just Summit Court.
Alright, welcome back to Onwards and Upwards, everybody. Today we're going to be going snowshoeing in Montreal. So right now it's middle of February. Kind of cold day, lots of snow out here, so it should be a good time. It's actually my first time going snowshoeing.
Jaw dropped.
Wear them right now. My ass is already cold.
I should have brought mine. We'll try to figure it out.
Alright, so now we got to put the snowshoes on. We're at the summit.
Have you guys ever tried these before?
No, never tried them. First time ever. Alright, so we got the snowshoes on. Wow, first time in the snowshoes. You can bend it pretty hard. It's almost like skiing in a way. Like you could ski with them, you know, like if you're going down ice.
No, it's nothing like this. It's pretty deep.
Yeah.
How you could ride over it a little better.
Yeah.
Just still fucking sink into it. What's that?
Well, going to your next step, you lean the back lower, and you kind of slide it forward.
Your heel is too.
Yeah.
Deep snow here. I'm gonna just send it. So I'm still sinking in the snow a little bit here, but obviously my ability to go in the deep snow is way better than it would be with boots on.
That's that clip on film there.
Oh no, I think I was looking up. So just after this, the cold weather caused my camera batteries to die. Well, at least I got some footage, right? Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time on Onwards and Upwards.